The Garmin Striker 4, fully installed on an inflatable kayak. In this video, I'll show you exactly how we got to this brilliant setup. Before we start mounting anything, we need a compatible power source. For my setup, I chose a compact 12V 12Ah battery, small enough to fit right in the front compartment of my inflatable kayak. It's the perfect balance between size and runtime, and fits snugly into that small empty space without getting in the way. To keep things neat and safe, I also used a compact plastic box that fits the battery perfectly. It holds the 12Ah battery tightly in place and gives just enough room for the short power cable to connect to the fish finder. This way, everything stays secure, dry, and out of the way, even in rough conditions. I made a few custom modifications to the box lid to make it even more functional. I added 2 small openings with covers, just for charging access. This way, I can recharge the battery without having to remove it from the box. And on top of the lid, I attached a custom bracket that holds the fish finder mount, keeping the whole setup compact, centralized, and easy to detach when needed. The Garmin Striker 4 is designed with flexibility in mind. The mount allows you to tilt and rotate the screen, so you can adjust the viewing angle depending on where you're sitting in the kayak. It also helps reduce glare and avoid direct sunlight, making the display easy to read, even on bright days. With the battery secured in the custom box, the wiring connected, and the fish finder mount attached on top, the setup is nearly complete. Now let's walk through how I charge the battery. To make this work, you'll need a suitable 12V battery charger and a pair of small jumper cables that fit through the charging access holes I added to the box. These holes were designed specifically for this purpose, allowing you to plug in without ever opening the lid. It's a simple and safe solution that keeps the internals protected while charging. Alright, let's test the circuit by powering on the fish finder. And yep, everything works perfectly. The screen lights up, the unit boots without a problem. Now let's take a quick walk through the main menu. The Garmin Striker 4 has a simple and intuitive interface. From traditional sonar views to waypoints and settings, everything's just a few clicks away. In my next video, I'll show you exactly how I mounted the sonar transducer to the bottom of my inflatable kayak using some custom GoPro mounts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY kayak tech and fishing gear setups.